Okay, this is the unboxing of my new LG Ultra Slim Portable DVD writer. There it is right there. LG, life's good. There you go. Okay, so let's open her up. Got one piece of tape right here. These are super cheap on Amazon, like $28. So you can write both CDs and DVDs, and of course you can use it to rip your CDs into MP3s, rip your videos into MP4s or MKVs. It's pretty good sealed. I might not have gotten all the tape. Let's get the tape. Okay, that should do it. Man, I hate this tab system that they use. All these companies do it this way. They make it just about impossible to open. There we go. Once you get the tab started, you can easily pull it straight out. There we go. All right, finally. Woof. And just open her up, just like that. And we're greeted by, let's pull this camera back a little bit. This is the USB cord. USB, like mini USB to USB-A. That's that. And here is the software that it includes, right there. And so that is the, I think it's the, well, let's just see what it is. Little instructions right here. There you go. And this is, I think it's Cyber something software. Yeah, got my finger right on it, of course. Yeah, OEM version, not for resale. Cyberlink Media Suite for DVD writer. That's pretty cool. Most of these DVD writers do not come with any software, so this gives you everything you need to get you going. I hope. If not, I have other things I can use. Anyway, and let's get to the main show here. And there it is, like that. You got the styrofoam, or not actually, yeah, kind of styrofoam. And then we just open this right up. I got the black one. This comes in silver, white, and gold. Oh, that's very nice. Yeah, look at that. Very black. Fingerprint magnet for sure. And you can see the eject button in the front right here. There's the this little here, this dot right here, that hole right there. That's to eject the CD if you don't have power. So you can eject it just in case you got a disc stuck in there. And so I think that's pretty much it. Plastic on the top here. It's got a plastic seal all around it. Gotta rip that off. And there's the port for the mini USB. I haven't had a device that takes one of those in a long time. Cameras used to use those over 10 years ago, but not anymore. Micro USB has completely replaced the mini USB. And of course USB-C has replaced that. So anyhow, and see what it says here. What's that say? It says, I can't read it. And who knows? I can't read it. I need a magnifying glass to read that. Anyhow, that's it for the unboxing of the LG DVD writer, Ultra Slim Portable DVD writer. Okay, and it's like I say, it's like $28 or so on Amazon right now. And that's a steal because this is the highest rated one I could find. And it's going to go with my new Lenovo IdeaPad 5 2-in-1. So a perfect match. Alrighty.